How to save stickers on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and make sure you have an updated version of WhatsApp application on your device. So let's tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp over here. Now as you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application on our device. So we're going to tap on open and select a profile where we would want to just save the sticker. Now as you can see, there are different stickers over here. Now select on any of the sticker over here, or to make a long press, or rather just make a click on the sticker that you'd want. And as you do that, you'll be able to see the option of add to favorites, edit, or view sticker pack. So you can just tap on add to favorites, and when you do that, you'll be able to see that you have saved the stickers under your favorites. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.